can't take any pictures inside, but yeah, it's interesting to see. And I had to cover up, as you can see, because apparently I was too revealing, and it was really awkward because I came in from the wrong side and you can't go in with shoes, and I had my flip-flops, and then they like sent me to the right place, but I think I messed up. Anyways, it was really, really cool.
Darling, darling, stay by me. Whoa, stay by me. Ooh, yeah. Stand by me. Stand by me.
Over the last 2 days, just because there's so many things and so many impressions that I get, and I don't know, I just don't have the time. Well, I do have a lot of time, I don't know why, but anyways, I can summarize like the most important things that happened. So basically, everyone when I arrived here, like every person that I've met has been so nice to me. It's incredible. Like, they're the nicest people ever. And then yesterday in the morning I went to town, and like everyone is saying hi to me, and hi in Fijian is hula. So everyone on the street was like, hula, where are you from? And it was really a lot of fun. Apart from that, the hotel that I'm in is amazing. Like, they're super nice. They're always cooking special vegetarian meals for me because I'm vegetarian. Then yesterday evening they had like a welcoming ceremony, which was, well, basically they made a special drink. It's called kava. It's made from the roots of a tree, and well, it's like pulverized and dried, and then, well, you put it into water, and it's like a whole procedure. And then we did that, and it was so much fun. There are like 3 Japanese women here that I'm talking to. Their English is not very good, but we understand each other, and it's just, it's so nice. And today I just relaxed. I was lying around and in the sun, and it's so amazing. Yesterday evening I went for like a midnight swim in the pool. I can't even describe it. It's so relaxing, beautiful, calming. It's just breathtaking and undescribable, if that's even a word. So tomorrow I'm going on a boat trip to another island called Mana Island, and from there I'll do a bit more things, so I'll keep you updated. Bye!